Hi nail friends, and welcome back to another episode of Money Tuesday. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I did this beautiful depowder nail design using REVEL nail, Azure Beauty and Rossi nail depowders. If you're new to my channel, I'm Cheraelsymone, bringing you the best tips and tricks for making your nails look beautiful and fabulously done at home. For more content just like this, make sure to subscribe and click on the bell so you won't miss any of my videos. The products I'll be using today are Rossi Nails Depowder known as Honeymoon, REVEL Nail Green Depowder known as Charged, Azure Beauty Gold Depowder, and ProDip Clear Depowder. So I've already applied my tips and buffed my nails, and now I'm just applying Kiara Sky Bond to dehydrate my nails. Now I apply base to half of the nail and then dip it into acrylic powder. Then I apply base to the whole nail and then dip it into the acrylic powder. This acts as a protective layer for my natural nails as well as a way to build my nails. The reason I'm using clear acrylic powder is because this powder isn't very clear, so I cannot use it to encapsulate. So I thought I'd just use it to build my nails. Before I applied any powder, most times I always taper in the size of the nails to reduce the amount of filing I have to do. I really liked how this design came out. It's a simple design, but the details of the design made it really nice for me, and that green dip powder is something else. So, starting on the index nail, I apply base to the whole nail and then dip it into the green dip powder. I did 3 layers, but I only showed 2. I really liked using this green dip powder. It's a very pigmented dip powder. It didn't bleed on my brush applicator, which is surprising given how pigmented it is. However, you still have to be careful with it when it comes to light colors. You will see what I'm talking about soon. So I'm just pouring some of the gold glitter, the powder, into a container, and now I'm just applying base to the whole nail, and then I would lay my finger into the gold dip powder and leave it in there for a few seconds. Then I would take it out, tap out the excess, and then I would dip it into the green dip powder at an angle and then into the Rossi nail dip powder. If you're getting value from this video, hit the like button below and comment your thoughts on the design as well. And don't forget to subscribe to get the best tips and tricks for beautiful and fabulous nail designs. Now I pour some Rossi pink dip powder into a container. So onto the ring finger, I'm just applying base to the whole nail. And I'm using Rossi pink, REVEL green and Azure Beauty gold for this nail. So I then lay my finger into the Rossi pink dip powder. and then into the Azure Beauty Gold dip powder to achieve this beautiful color block design. I really liked how this one came out. Always remember to ensure that the dip powder in the container is leveled so that you could achieve a straight line. Then I dipped into the green dip powder, which was a huge mistake. The color is so pigmented, it stained the pink and I panicked like I usually do. I did 3 layers, but I only showed 2. When I did the second layer, I show you what I do differently. I knew damn well it wasn't such a big deal, but that's my go-to reaction when things don't go as planned. And then I think, why are you like this, Cherael? Do better. I am my own worst critic. And I like to show the shitty nails I do because I like to show people that I do shitty nails sometimes, and then sometimes it comes out great. I also realized that the green tinted the pink area a little. I only realized that in pictures, but to the naked eye, you don't see a difference. So as you can see on the pinky, I just applied base and dip it into Rossi nails. I did about 4 layers of that. This dip powder has become my favorite pink nude powder. It's really nice. So onto the thumb, I just decided to do something simple. I wanted to use the green also, but I wasn't prepared for what I knew was gonna happen. So I did a simple design. So now I encapsulate all of the nails with product clear dip powder. I did about 3 layers, but I only showed 1. Your nails do not have to look like this when you're finished encapsulating, but I'm reckless when I use the clear dip powder. I know I can file it down nicely, so that's why I can go a tad bit overboard. There are also times I do them too bulky and wonder whether I could file it down properly, but I usually do. Doing them bulky has also helped me get a little better at filing as well. So this is me here applying activator, and then I waited a while for it to harden, then began filing. So this is after filing and buffing, and now I'm going to be choosing the Model 1's top coat. But if you wanted to choose the dip powder top coat, you would have to apply activator first and then apply 2 layers of top coat. But since I am using gel top coat, I have to ensure that the nails are a little rough so that the gel top coat has something to hold on to. And then I cured in the lamp for 60 seconds. Then I waited for it to cool down and applied cuticle oil. So if you like this video, you're gonna want to check out my other videos on dip powder. Click the videos you see on the screen and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye guys!